service. Okay.
ये कर लो पहले.
Service.
ये कर लो पहले.
तू समझा?
API service.
नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
Okay. After adding this in as our parameter in constructor, we can use this class in our register.formdata.py. So I will refer to it using this dot API service dot save data. This is our method for adding the particular values in our Spring Boot. Save data, and we have form any, and in here this is our form, right? So I will create a particular constant form values. Of formula. After this, we will add the particular save data. In our save data, we will add the particular thing, that is form values. Okay. So here in save data, we will add the form values. After adding form values, like using this, you have to subscribe so that we can use the particular API services in our Angular project. That's why we will subscribe it, and in this subscribe, I will give a particular response, which will be of type which will point us to a particular thing, to the particular console, we can say, that is console dot log. Let's see if our method runs perfectly or not. So for that, we have to run this also, that is our Angular project also, which has been running, right? And we will also run our Spring project. So for running the Spring project, I will come to our Eclipse and run this. We have to come here, and Spring Boot application is running, started. Okay, that will take some time to start. So all the table students add column password. Okay, so most of the things are done. Here our Tomcat is started, and let's see if this works or not. So I will give here my first thing, the particular values for things. Okay, so the so we will see whether these values will go to our this Spring Boot or not. Contact 70, let's say anything, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and email .com, password anything, city Nagpur, state Maharashtra, and zip code 4400 1. That's it. On registering, it's saying registered successfully, the thanks, and we are okay. Let's see in our Spring project. So there was an invalid character found in the method name. HTTP method names must be broken. Okay, so here we have a particular error throwing because of some things like further operands of HTTP request passing errors will be logged. Invalid character found in the method name. Let's see what's happening. HTTP method names must be broken.